Today we're making one of the easiest, most refreshing summer drinks you can serve to a crowd. A classic Shandy pitcher. Shandies can be made many different ways, but today we're using beer and lemonade, creating a light, citrusy drink that's crisp, bubbly, and incredibly refreshing. It's the perfect drink for hot afternoons, backyard barbecues, patio gatherings, and relaxed weekends with friends. The bright lemon flavor balances the maltiness of the beer, while the carbonation keeps everything lively and refreshing. This pitcher version makes it easy to serve several people at once without having to mix individual drinks. With just a few simple ingredients, cold beer, fresh lemonade, ice, and lemon slices, you can create a drink that looks beautiful, tastes amazing, and comes together in just a few minutes. The lemon slices infuse the pitcher with fresh citrus aroma, while the bubbles from the beer give the drink that signature sparkling finish. Shandies have been enjoyed for generations across Europe and North America because they're simple, refreshing, and incredibly easy to customize. You can adjust the beer to lemonade ratio depending on whether you prefer a slightly stronger beer flavor or a brighter, sweeter citrus balance. Using a light lager or pilsner keeps the drink crisp and easy to sip, making it ideal for warm weather entertaining. In this recipe, we'll build the shandy directly in the pitcher over ice, layer in lemon slices for flavor and presentation, gently stir everything together so the beer keeps its carbonation. Once it's mixed, all that's left to do is pour it into a tall glass over ice and garnish it with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. If you're looking for quick, crowd-friendly drinks that feel bright, refreshing, and perfect for summer, this Shandy pitcher is a fantastic choice. Let's get started and build this easy citrus beer cocktail that's sure to be a hit at your next gathering. As usual, we will start with a clean glass pitcher placed on the counter. A clear pitcher works best for this drink because it shows off the bright golden color and the fresh lemon slices that will float throughout the mixture. Gather all your ingredients before you begin. For this recipe, you'll need chilled beer, cold lemonade, fresh lemons for slicing, and plenty of ice. Keeping everything cold helps the drink stay crisp and refreshing once it's mixed. Take a fresh lemon and slice it into thin rounds. Thin slices release flavor into the drink and also create a beautiful citrus look inside the pitcher. Place the lemon slices into a small bowl so they're ready to use when building the pitcher. Having everything prepared ahead of time makes the process quick and smooth. Add a generous amount of ice to the pitcher. The ice immediately chills the drink and keeps the mixture cold as the lemonade and beer are added. Drop several lemon slices into the pitcher with the ice. The slices will slowly infuse the drink with fresh citrus aroma while also making the pitcher look bright and inviting. Pour the lemonade into the pitcher. The lemonade forms the citrus base of the shandy, bringing sweetness and bright lemon flavor that balances the beer. Slowly add the beer to the pitcher. Pouring gently helps preserve the carbonation so the drink stays light and bubbly. Use a long bar spoon to gently stir the mixture. Stir just enough to combine the lemonade and beer without losing too much of the natural fizz. At this point, the pitcher should be filled with a light golden mixture with lemon slices floating among the ice. The combination of citrus and carbonation creates a refreshing drink that's perfect for warm weather. Give the pitcher another gentle stir to ensure the flavors are evenly blended. This step helps distribute the lemon slices and ensures every pour has the same balance. Set a tall serving glass beside the pitcher and fill it with ice. The ice keeps the drink cold and refreshing once it's poured. Tilt the pitcher and begin pouring the shandy into the glass. The drink should flow smoothly over the ice while maintaining its bright golden color and gentle bubbles. Continue filling the glass until it's nearly full. The carbonation will rise through the drink, creating a light, sparkling effect. Add a lemon slice and a sprig of mint to the glass as a garnish. This simple touch adds aroma and makes the drink look vibrant and inviting. Place the finished glass beside the pitcher so guests can see the drink is ready to serve. The lemon slices in the pitcher help showcase the citrus character of the shandy. Pour a second glass if serving multiple guests. The pitcher format makes it easy to serve several drinks quickly. Present the pitcher and filled glasses together. The bright citrus color, ice, and lemon slices create a refreshing presentation perfect for gatherings. If you're not serving the drink right away, cover the pitcher to keep it fresh and cold. Place the covered pitcher in the refrigerator until ready to serve. Chilling helps maintain the fresh character of the drink. When you're ready to serve again, remove the pitcher from the refrigerator and give it a gentle stir to redistribute the ingredients. Add a few fresh lemon slices if desired to brighten the flavor and presentation. Pour a glass of the chilled shandy over ice. Serve the refreshed drink alongside the pitcher and enjoy a light, citrusy beverage that's perfect for relaxing and sharing with friends. A classic shandy is all about balance. The goal is to create a drink that feels light, refreshing, and easy to sip, where the citrus from the lemonade brightens the beer without completely overpowering it. The traditional ratio is roughly half beer and half lemonade, but this can easily be adjusted depending on taste. If you prefer a slightly stronger beer flavor, increase the beer portion a bit. If you want something lighter and more citrus forward, add a little more lemonade. Choosing the right beer makes a big difference in the final drink. Light lagers, pilsners, and blonde ales work best because they have a clean flavor that pairs naturally with citrus. Beers that are way too heavy or strongly flavored can overpower the lemonade and make the drink feel less refreshing. A crisp lager or pilsner keeps the shandy bright, bubbly, and very drinkable. Temperature is also important for a great shandy. The beer and lemonade should both be well chilled before mixing, and the pitcher should be filled with plenty of ice. This keeps the drink cold and helps maintain the refreshing character that makes shandy so enjoyable on warm days. When serving, always pour the drink over ice to keep it crisp. Another key detail is how the beer is added. Beer should be poured slowly and gently into the pitcher to preserve carbonation. Stirring should also be gentle. Over stirring can cause the drink to lose its bubbles quickly, which takes away from the light and lively texture that makes a shandy so refreshing. Fresh lemon slices add both flavor and presentation. As the drink sits, the lemon slowly infuses into the mixture, giving it a slightly brighter citrus aroma. Thin slices work best because they release flavor without overpowering the drink. This pitcher recipe is perfect for entertaining because it can be prepared quickly and served easily to a group. If making it ahead of time, keep the pitcher refrigerated and give it a gentle stir before serving again. Adding a few fresh lemon slices just before serving can brighten the flavor and refresh the appearance. For a variation, the lemonade portion can be swapped with flavored lemonades such as strawberry lemonade, raspberry lemonade, or peach lemonade, creating a colorful twist on the classic drink. You can also experiment with adding a small amount of fresh herbs like mint or basil for an extra layer of aroma. Overall, the shandy pitcher is one of the simplest and most refreshing drinks you can serve. With just a few ingredients and a few minutes of preparation, You end up with a bright, bubbly beverage that's perfect for relaxing afternoons, casual gatherings, and warm weather celebrations. And that's all it takes to make a refreshing shandy pitcher. With just a few simple ingredients: cold beer, bright lemonade, fresh lemon slices, and plenty of ice, you can create a drink that's crisp, bubbly, and perfect for sharing. It's one of those recipes that proves great drinks don't need to be complicated to be delicious. This pitcher version is especially great for gatherings because it's quick to prepare and easy to serve. Instead of mixing individual drinks, everything comes together in one pitcher, so guests can simply pour a glass and enjoy. The fresh lemon slices add a burst of citrus aroma. The lemon brings the bright sweetness. The beer keeps everything light and refreshing with just the right amount of fizz. Shandies are a classic warm weather drink for a reason. They're easy, refreshing, and incredibly versatile. You can keep it traditional with lemonade and a light lager, or experiment with different lemonades and beers to create your own twist. No matter how you make it, the result is always a drink that's smooth, citrusy, and perfect for relaxing on a sunny afternoon. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, relaxing on the patio, or just for something cool and refreshing at the end of the day, this shandy pitcher is a fantastic choice. It's light, bright, and easy to enjoy with friends and family. Thanks for spending some time today behind the bar. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check out the other drinks and recipes here on Cooking with Rod, where we keep things simple, flavorful, and fun. Until next time, stay safe, keep cooking, and enjoy every sip. Cheers.